Hey guys, it is Nikki here with Level 5 Lighting. Today we are going to be going over how to create an accent pattern in your Jellyfish Cloud app. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is we're going to want to press the plus sign in the top right corner, and then we're going to go to Create Accent. Now this is going to pull up this page and it's going to have your zones and your accent color. So first we're going to go to Select Zone and hit that arrow to the right, and this is going to be where you select which zones you want to turn on. So we're going to be working with our home show display, so I'm going to do home show all lights and select that and hit that circle to the right. And if you have multiple zones that you want to be included in this accent pattern, you're going to go ahead and select all of those zones. Once you select your zone, we're going to press the back arrow button to the top left, and now it's going to take you back to the screen, but now it's going to have all of these circles with numbers in it, and those are going to be all of your lights that are on your display. So first we're going to go and we're going to create the color that we want. So we're going to leave the background color black, as that indicates that those lights are off. Then we're going to go to our accent color. We're going to hit the square, and this is where you can select whatever color you want to be included in your accent pattern. So you can do orange, you could do red, you could do green. We're gonna start off with a nice warm white, and we're gonna select 3500. You can also go to the color wheel and you can put an RGB code in, or you can move the dial around and get the color that you want. But we're just going to do a preset, and we're gonna do 3500. Once you have your color, we're gonna press the back arrow button in the top left and take you back to the screen with all of the circles. And this is gonna be where we're gonna select which lights we want on. So just by selecting a circle, those are going to be the lights that turn on. So this is going to be the first light, and then it's just going to keep going, and you're just going to select each light that you want on. So you can create a pattern, you can have some off and some on, and if you want to light up a certain area, you could just select all of those lights that are in that area. Maybe there's a row of 20 that we can select, and that would be that area that you're turning on. If you wanted another color in your accent pattern, you can do that. So after you get all done selecting the lights you want to turn on with the first color, we're going to go back to the top, we're going to hit accent color, and we're going to change the pattern. And I'm going to do a mixture of cool and warm. So I'm going to pick a cool white color. We're going to go back, and then you're just going to select those lights that you want that color. So, and you'll do that for all of your lights. So as you can see on our display, we have 512. So you would just go through and select all the lights that you want to be turned on. Then you'll go in the top right corner once you're done and press save. And then name it, and I'm going to just name it Accent 1. And then we're going to save it into our accent folder that we have up here. Select that and then just press save. And now that is saved into your accent folder. So now this is the pattern that we just created, and I just went ahead and turned it on, and now that is the pattern that is playing on our lights. So that is how you create an accent pattern. If you have any other questions, you can give our office a call or visit our website at level5lighting.com. Thank you so much.